life except mosquitoes, and I've never had anybody
complain
on behalf of mosquitoes. Save the mosquitoes. Okay. Secondly, that duck in the picture that you saw there scored high on the SOL. You know that wildlife like ducks have a propensity to preen their feathers. They're drawing oil from their body and coating their feathers to make them, quote, waterproof. That duck saw in that monolayer film of olive oil the opportunity to get a free oil treatment without having to spend time preening. So whereas the other ducks are still over there going under and shaking their head and all like that, that duck goes through there. Okay, I'm ready to go. Where? Good duck. Smart duck. What are we doing? This one? Yep. Okay. This same sabbatical that Bill just spoke about there, University of Bristol. After Christmas, one of the professors came back and said, "Oh, Professor Whiteman, I saw the most wonderful experiment over Christmas." And he told me about it, and I said, "Well, that's nice. Can you tell me what can you tell me what the solution was that was being burned?" He said, "No, I don't remember." I said, "Can you find?" He said, "Yes, I'll let you know." Well, that was January, but I got back to Blacksburg in July. I didn't have any idea what the solution was. Well, it turned out to be a solution of ethyl ether in water. Solution of ethyl ether in water at 5%. You get much higher than that, ether is going to be insoluble in water, but at 5%, it's completely soluble. And so I'm going to pour, as this person did, from Cambridge, professor of chemistry at Cambridge, at the Christmas lecture, which goes back to Michael Faraday. Now, is that called making a big loop around? The professor at Bristol told me he saw this professor put this solution in a baking dish and put it out in the most unusual manner. And I thought, wouldn't that be something? Put it out in a most unusual manner. Now, you've already seen a clue as to what I'm going to do. You saw me stop those camphor particles with oleic acid. So indeed, now I could pour the solution, light it, we'll have a fire. There you go. Fire and explosion. Trademarks of a chemical. And I could take a drop of oleic acid and put it here, and again in about 2 seconds, that monolayer film would race down and extinguish the flame, okay? But I'm not going to put it out with oleic acid because very few of us carry oleic acid around. So should we see a fire burning, can anybody help us? Yes, I have some oleic acid. We don't usually carry it around. But each of you have on your person, on your body, a substance which is like oleic acid. It will stop the camphor particle. It will put the fire out. I would like to demonstrate that for you at this time. There will be a slight smell, but you won't be able to. There will be a fire. After I light it, the flame will come up about this high. I will go and put my index finger in both ears and extract a little earwax. And I will extinguish the flame with earwax. Yeah. Wax into the burning flame. Monolayer film spreading.
Wow.
What?
Let's hear it for the molecule.